I hate the sound of clocks. Alarms, the constant ticking and their tocks. The falling numbers, pendulums and swinging weights as seconds pass, the minutes lost. The rising tides and falling rates, I hate all of the sounds that we call clocks. I hate the beats of almighty cowls and the chart show dross, the predictable words, incongruous smiles and diamante frocks. I hate the sight of royal thrones, the tacky rhine and semi-precious gleaming stones. I hate the sound of clocks, the sight of clashing tides and smells of salt. I hate the sight of clocks, the clapping crowds and migrating flocks, the escalating lifts and rolling stocks. I loathe the passing clouds and teeming streams. I hate the crowds and fussing noises that crowded masses make. I hate the sound of clocks. I like the sound of falling rain, the sounds of water falling down kitchen sinks and roadside drains. I love the clapping flippers that huddled penguins make, the glistening slime from mollusks, the slugs and garden snails, the recoil of guns and bullets flying down the shooting range. I hate the sound of clocks, forever ticking over. Four-leaf clover, blowing cotton in your garden, counting every unit of the time you gave, scoring cuts that keep us sane. I hate the sound of clocks, the simple clock face and the ticks and the tocks, the rotating hands, the falling arms of all we watch. I hate the sight of, I hate the sound of, I hate the time we gave to rulers and their precious clocks. Their rising chests and pumping lungs, I hate the sound from. Yes, I hate the sound of clocks.